So we sealed the Two Tails. We're finally free. I held still for 6 whole days. I'm going on a rampage first chance I get. You with me, Kakuzu?
Instead of flapping your mouth, save your energy for the leaf.
Hey, you didn't answer my question.
You're a waste of time.
A what? Man, you're such a grouch.
Step it up, or I'll leave you behind.
Yeah. Right behind you, sir. Now then, let the ritual begin.
Mission start.
I'm gonna go crazy, Kakuzu. Absolutely nuts.
So, what else is new?
Take that! Yahoo! Found me some!
We found you, Akatsuki!
Fools! Your attack's gonna boomerang!
This is annoying. Nobody here is worth any money at all.
Take that! That hurt! Yeah! I can crush as many as I want! Lord Jashin will be so happy!
Don't have so much fun that they catch you off guard, Hidan.
This is the end. That feels good. This is the end. That feels good.
I don't smell any money here.
Take that! That hurt! Have it! I'm gonna get you a pile of sacrifices. This is the end. That feels good.
I don't smell any money here.
This is the end. That feels good.
That idiot, playing around by himself.
They're real monsters.
That feels good. Take that! Roll over and die. Check it out, Kakuzu. It's the Anbu of the Hidden Leaf. They might have a bounty or two on them, right?
We won't know until we peel off those masks.
This is the end. That feels good. In that case, let's get them all. This is the end. That feels good. Lord Jashin, watch this. This is the end. That feels good.
I've had it with Leaf Ninja.
Take that! That hurt!
I don't smell any money here.
This is the end. That feels good. Take that! That hurt! Take that!
They're real monsters.
Take that! That hurt! Half-wit! Lord Jashin, watch this! This is the end. That feels good.
That idiot, playing around by himself.
Half-wit! Take that! That hurt! Take that! That hurt! Half-wit!
I've had it with Leaf Ninja.
There's so many I just can't decide which to take out! Right, Kakuzu?
I just hope I'm not working for free.
I don't care. I don't need money. This is the end. It can't be. That feels good.
That's why you never have it.
Half-wit. Take that. That hurt. Half-wit. This is the end. That feels good.
They're real monsters.
That hurt. Half-wit.
That idiot, playing around by himself.
I'm gonna get you a pile of sacrifices. Take that! This is the end. That feels good. Lord Jashin, watch this. Win style.
That idiot, playing around by himself.
This is the end. That feels good. Take that! That hurt my Take that! That hurt! Lord Jashin, watch this! I mowed him down like crazy! Lord Jashin, did that satisfy you? What's this? Already? Was that it?
We can't just keep taking on small fry. I'm glad it's over.
It is kind of boring, though.
Mission complete.
What are you sighing about? You got to go on your rampage. Wasn't that enough?
You know, they just didn't put up much of a fight. They weren't really worth sacrificing to Lord Jashin. I might have made him mad.
I can't deal with you.
I need to fight someone powerful enough to make it entertaining. Lord Jashin probably isn't satisfied yet either, right? Don't you think so, Kakuzu? Hey, he's not even here. Hey, you! Kakuzu! Wait up!
Hurry up, or I'll leave you behind.
You already did leave me behind. How long would you have gone before you even noticed?
Shut